Hello, welcome back to Bean Trailer. We've got an awesome video lined up for you guys today. Want to show you our different galley configurations. So come on over. We're going to start out with our base and our base plus galley configuration. So the base configuration will come with just a white plastic countertop and a center divider. It will not have the fridge freezer pull-out tray. What we have shown right here is the base plus galley configuration, which has the 18-inch drawer slide out. And that does have a lock-in, lock-out mechanism. The benefit of the base plus galley configuration is that it has two 7-gallon aquatainers, which are really easy to be able to fill and to be able to use. They have a really cool spigot on the outside. And then this configuration has the rack out basin, so you can wash your hands, dishes, and then this is removable to be able to dump that gray water. Again, once you're finished, you can drop this back down in here, and then it has a bungee system to be able to secure. The base plus galley configuration comes standard with the the Coleman 50-quart ice cooler. And then it has a rack out that has a lock-in. The dimensions on this rack out are 23 inches by 17.5 deep and then 18.5 inches tall. All of the galley configurations will come with a 12-volt port here along the backsplash and then a 110 outlet. And then all of the galley configurations come standard with the RGB lighting, which is changeable, and then the paper towel holder. So let's move on over to the premium galley configuration. You will see some similarities in this configuration as the base plus. The first is the rack out 18-inch partner steel stove. I really like this galley configuration because it does have the larger under cabinetry. And then it does have the 18-gallon water tank with aluminum skid plate. The premium galley has an electric pump with a water faucet there, with just on off. So when you're finished, you'll just turn that off. And again, you've got the 12-volt, the 110 outlet, and then the RGB lighting. The premium galley configuration has the exact same fridge freezer slide tray that will accommodate the Norcold NRF 30. And again, this galley configuration does come standard with the Coleman 50-quart ice cooler. So let's move on over to the premium plus galley configuration. We have a lot of customers that really like this configuration because the extra countertop space, because the stove actually comes all the way off of the countertop. In our Expedition stove setup, again an 18-inch stove, but it folds in half. You can see that. And then the really nice part about this is that if it's a windy or rainy day, you can remove this and put it onto the countertop or take it to your favorite picnic spot on those nice sunny days. So again, this just clips in. And then you'll connect the Y valve to the 10-pound propane tank on the passenger side of the trailer. So I'm going to show you how to be able to put this back. So this has two little leaf springs down below that you can push up on. And then this has a lock-in and a lock-out. So you'll pull that on that back. I'll show you how to do it one more time. Put that up. So the other main feature or benefit on this galley configuration is that it does accommodate the larger fridge freezer, which is the Norcold NRF 45. So quite a bit larger than the 30 quart that is available in the premium galley configuration. This galley configuration does have a slightly smaller under sink configuration to be able to accommodate for the larger fridge freezer. So we do have a lot of people that really like this. And then you do have the stainless steel sink and the same fold away faucet. So again, these are the 3 different galley configurations that we do have available. If you do have any questions about any of the different configurations, feel free to comment down below and we'll get right back to you. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.